The COUNTIF function in Excel counts the number of cells in a range that match a criteria. The syntax of the function is, in the first argument, you define a range where you want to count cells, and in the second argument, you specify a condition that should be met. Text strings in criteria must be enclosed in double quotes. To count how many times apples were ordered, pass the range B2:B16 as the range argument and apples as the criteria argument. To count how many times amount was 250, use the formula. Numeric values are not enclosed in quotes. However, when a logical operator is included with a number, the number and operator must be enclosed in quotes. For example, to count how many times amount was more than 250, use the formula. Instead of typing a criteria directly in the formula, you can input a cell reference. Cell references in criteria are not enclosed in quotes. For example, C2 in this formula. To construct not equal to criteria, use the not equal to operator. For example, to count orders where items other than apples were ordered, use the formula. The wildcard characters $, asterisk can be used in criteria. An asterisk matches 0 or more characters of any kind. For example, to count how many times apples of any kind were sold, use the formula. A question mark matches any one character. To find customer names with 3 letters, use the formula. COUNTIF is designed for counting cells with a single criteria. To count cells that meet 2 or more conditions, use COUNTIFS. COUNTIFs can evaluate different conditions in the same or in different ranges. The syntax of the COUNTIFs function is as follows. COUNTIFs criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2. Criteria range 1 defines the first range to which the first condition criteria 1 shall be applied. The criteria range and criteria arguments come in pairs and only the first pair is required. For each additional condition, you must supply another range criteria pair. Each additional range must have the same number of rows and columns as range 1, but ranges do not need to be adjacent. If you supply ranges that don't match in size, you will get a pound value error. Basically, when we supply multiple conditions to a COUNTIFs function, it checks all the conditions and counts values that match all the conditions, which means it runs on AND logic. For example, to count number of items whose stock and sales is 0, use the following COUNTIFs formula. We have only grapefruit which meets those conditions. So we get a count of 1. In this way, we can add any number of conditions. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.